Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. Today I am going to be making my dad's carrot birthday cake. What you will need: 250 millilitres of sunflower oil, 4 large eggs, 225 grams of light muscovado sugar, 200 grams of carrots peeled and grated, 300 grams of self-raising flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 75 grams of walnuts shelled and chopped, plus 8 halves to decorate. For the icing, you will need 50 grams of butter at room temperature, 25 grams of icing sugar, 250 grams of full fat cream cheese at room temperature, and 3 drops of vanilla extract. The first thing you're going to do is preheat the oven to the degrees shown on the screen and line your 8-inch cake tin with greaseproof paper. First thing you're going to want to do is, in a bowl, mix together the self-raising flour, muscovado sugar, baking powder, mixed spice, grounded ginger and your walnuts. Now add in the sunflower oil a little at a time and mix together. Now add your eggs in one at a time and mix well. Add in your carrot 2 tablespoons at a time and mix in well. Pour your cake mixture into the cake tin. While your cake is cooling, whisk together your butter and icing sugar. Now add in your cream cheese and whisk it well. Now add in your 3 drops of vanilla extract and it should come out very thick and not runny. Now spread the icing evenly across the top of the cake. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell.